In this box are some of the most expensive headphones in the world. Their cost is almost 1,000,000 rubles. I love music very much, but not enough to spend 1.5 million rubles, which is the price of a reasonably decent car, or even an apartment. However, wait, the Japanese actually refer to them not as headphones, but as head speakers. The clever Japanese claim that by putting on these things, you get 100% immersion, as if you are listening to a real, serious high-end stereo system. But you can't just take them and connect them to a smartphone. You also need an amplifier, and its cost is 500,000 rubles. Be sure to watch the video until the end, and you will find out why it's so expensive. How the Japanese, and this is a Japanese brand, Stax, packaged everything, and what technologies are involved. And of course, I will say, well, why is it so expensive? Let's start unboxing. I am just so impatient. Why? Wow. Right away, friends. This is amazing. Wood. Well, how else 1,000,000 rubles? How could it be without wood? Let's carefully take it out. God forbid we scratch it. Wow. The Japanese really know how to make a great presentation. You just want to touch it. At the same time, right, it's so light, just weightless. And do you know why? I'll give a spoiler. The membrane inside these headphones is made of plastic, and it's extremely light. Stax, made in Japan. When I was little, this inscription, made in Japan, indicated that the products and technology were of unprecedented quality. And if you bought a VCR or cassette player with this in label, how exciting, right? Ah! Whoa. Bags. Or what is this? Ah, it's probably a case, friends. Protection. Zach, your speaker. We don't need it. Manual. Wow. How cool. Whoa. You should see how awesome they are. 1,000,000 rubles, I remind you. So many obstacles to enjoy the ultimate sound experience. And the material is so pleasant. Well, everything is done perfectly. I wonder if the sound will be as cool as the packaging. Whoa. Oh, friends, I take them in my hands and it's as if energy flows through me. It's the energy of the cosmos, which tells me, hey guy, if you wear them, you'll get unforgettable sensations from any music you play. And of course, preferably classical. I also want to look at the perks, namely the two cables, friends. Yes, while one is long and the other is a bit shorter. At Stax, they say that if you need to go somewhere with them or reach something, then please use this one. But if you want to enjoy the maximum quality, then take the small, shorter one. Although there is a theory that the longer the cable within reasonable limits, the better it filters the sound. What do you think, friends? Is it true or false? These headphones are made on a completely different principle than what you are used to seeing in regular headphones, where there is a speaker that vibrates the air, and as a result, we get sound. Here, there is an extremely thin plastic film that actually generates sound waves. And it does this from 5 hertz. Just imagine how low that is. No one will hear it. Probably only bats can catch such a range. And up to 42 kilohertz. Again, only some Superman could perceive the entire sound spectrum with their ears. The body is aluminum, very pleasant, cools the hand. Here we have leather naturally genuine. Pay attention to the ear pads. They are both very, very soft and made from cheap leather. I'll try them on. Weightless and So unusual. These are open back headphones, so I can perfectly hear what's happening around me. Therefore, if you enjoy the sound of Stax, the room should be appropriate. Well, shall we take out the cable? Carefully. Disconnect, tear slightly, and take out the cable. Oh, carefully. Actually, no, it turned out carefully. Also pleasant to the touch, the original wide low-power hybrid cable from Stax. The Japanese say it is made from ultra-pure, annealed copper wire. Probably very wealthy people can just afford headphones like these. Just put them on like this and go, I don't know, to the store, just without connecting them, just go like this. What do you think? Is that possible? Of course not. But if a person is wealthy, it doesn't mean they are foolish. They somehow earned all of this. Or do you think differently?